Good evening, everyone. Today I am showing a small topic, but this is the very interesting topic. So, how to extract the elevation data in DEM image? Okay. So, suppose you have to know how to extract the elevation in randomly uh, in your someone have to share in the sample randomly point and he needed in a elevation in this sample point. So how to extract the elevation in this sample point? So I have to open in a sample point. This is a sample point, and so how to extract in exactly this particular point to elevation data. So how to extract? So here is a very simple things. There is one uh, option there we have to use. You have to go to in the processing toolbox at first, and then you have to search in the sample raster sample raster value. Okay, here is the option. This is the sample raster value. So we have to use in this tool to extract the elevation data in randomly to uh, this point. Okay, so at first you have to search in the processing toolbox, and then you have to open the sample raster data. Okay, then already you have to input layer already selected, and then you have to select in the raster layer. So you have to select in the DEM data. I have to select in the DEM data, and you have to output column prefix. So here is the by default this is the sample. Okay, you have to change, uh, you need it. Okay, I have to put it in the elevation. Okay, okay, so then you have to output in the in your local folder. So you have to click in the three dotted and then save to in the file. Okay, I do not have in this file to in my local system, so uh, I do not have to select. Okay, so you have to put it in a local system, then you have to select in three dotted uh, point, then you have to save to file. Okay, then I have to select in the run button. Okay, then the process already has to be done. Then you have to close in the tab. So there is the one sampled temporary layer will be shown in the layer panel. Okay, so here is the point in the 16. I have to show in the show count, and here is the point in the 16. Okay, so I have to open in the sample. Here is the layer panel to be after processing in the sample raster value. Then you have to open in the attribute table. Okay, so here is a already one field here. When I have to process in the sample point, elevation point, so I have to put at the num elevation. So here is the output in the elevation data. Okay, so how to identify this is value is correct or not? So at first you have to randomly go to in one point. Okay, then you have to at first you have to click in the point. Here is the elevation 1, here is the value is the 187. Okay, so then you have to select in the DEM value, DEM image, then you have to click in the this point. Okay, so here is the value is the 187. Okay, there is the same value I have to shown in the label. So that is the very easily identify Okay, this is the 187 and I have to select in the uh, DEM image. So here is the value is the 187. So randomly you have to check where 172 you have to click in this point. So here is the 172 value always already shown in the DEM image. Okay, so this is the small and very interesting topic. So I think this video is very helpful for all of you, and any confusion, any queries, please comment to my comment to my in video comment section, and anything doubt and any new topic having required, so please let you know. So thank you so much.